Bonk is absolutely exploding right now, and in this video we're going to be talking about how we can make some money trading this asset and basically where we think Bonk is going to be going here in the next coming weeks, months or so. So without further ado, let's get straight into this lovely update. So Bonk currently priced at a market cap of $1.15 billion here. It's up 1% in the last day. It is up 2.8% in the last 7 days, but in the last month, disgustingly down 28%. Okay, which isn't too bad considering market conditions and the fact that Bonk does fluctuate. But if we look at the market cap chart here, it's not been that great. Okay, we did see the market cap currently hovering around $2 billion, that sort of area here at the start of the, well, a month ago, and now currently down to $1.15 billion. So a lot of money has been wiped out of this asset overall, but we are seeing a bit of light at the end of the tunnel potentially here over the last sort of 7 days. More the last day, we're seeing a bit of explosion in the price, which is very, very good to see. So let's get into the chart and let's see where this thing can be going here in the future and how we can be making some money, guys. Now, before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about Solana. It's a project that's launching in 3 days' time. In 3 days' time, this thing is gonna take off. Okay, it's gonna be launched live on exchanges. We're talking major exchange listings here, you can see, and also it's raised $55 million. Now, why has it raised such a large amount of money? Because it is one of a kind, unique utility. The utility is, it's a layer 2 based protocol for Solana. Remember base chain for Ethereum? It's the same thing, but for Solana. First, one of its kind, and yeah, every blockchain layer 1 needs a layer 2. So this is the first layer 2 for Solana that's ever been created, and you can see that's why they've raised $55 million. And you can see here in the launch schedule here, they're launching in 3 days' time, then they're bridging, and then they've got massive exchange listings coming through, and then they've got the mainnet launching in July, Block Explorers launching in July, a massive bridge across Solana to Solana to Ethereum here on the 7th of July, and loads of other stuff to come as well. So all of these things, guys, they're bullish events. So the asset's going to launch, and then all of these bullish events are lined up after it to basically extend the growth of this asset to the upside. So very, very interesting project. Go check it out. All the links in the description, guys. Again, if you want to get involved, 3 days time, this thing is launching. Okay, 10 to 100x is what I am looking for. Fingers crossed, eh? That's why we do these videos. Okay, so back to Bonk. Let's have a look at the chart here and see how and where we could be making some money. So the first thing that I have drawn on this chart is, of course, this falling parallel channel. Now, falling parallel channels, I mean, it is technically a bull flag with this uptrend here, but yeah, it is a falling parallel channel. Falling parallel channels, they are parallel towards each other. So you can see we do have a trend line on the top side that has got massive areas of resistance, as we can see here. When it does touch this top side here, it does technically dump down every time. Okay, the more that it tests this area, the more likely it is to break. And that is why these these falling parallel channels, they tend to usually break to the upside. Now, this is super important because this will signify a very nice breakout long position, which can get quite violent here. And the more violent, the better here, because basically means we make more money. Okay, so this is the measure move. We take the measure move to the breakout scenario here, and then this is presented like so. And it is actually worth, this trade is going to be worth 25% to the upside. That is profit, guys. Okay. What we need to do in order to get there, we need to break this this lovely trend line that we were talking about a second ago. We've also got a horizontal in here as well that we have seen resistance from before in previous price action here, but also look at that support, guys. There is mass support along this area too. So this is where this pinnacle point comes into action, roughly around this sort of area. If we can get the confluence of the break of this trend line and the break of this horizontal here in this same area, roughly in this box that I have drawn here, we're looking for a nice big move to the upside. Okay, so that's going to be the trade for you guys to go check out today. Obviously, go do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Go check out Solana if you're looking for a new project that's going to be launching in 3 days. It's not destined for success, but it's going to do very well in my opinion. Okay, obviously not financial advice. Do your own research, all of that good stuff. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.